Hello, Countdown to Kindergarten families, and welcome to week 3 of our Countdown Summer, which is all about math. We're going to start with an interactive read aloud. This is 10 black dots. As you go through the story, just keep asking open-ended questions, pointing out things that are familiar to your child, pointing out the numbers and the values. Then we are going to be introducing the Unifix Cubes. So first, just let your child kind of play and explore with these. They're going to be excited about them because they're new. Then as they're playing, you're going to notice they're probably going to start building some towers, and you can start asking questions like how many cubes did you use to make that tower, and maybe help count with them to help them find those numbers. You can also ask them, can you make a tower with 3 cubes? And they can start building that to start getting the feel for numbers and values. In addition, you can work on patterns with the Unifix Cubes. So you are given a couple of different colors, and you can start by having them make simple patterns. So making a red-blue pattern where they do 1 red cube, 1 blue cube until they use as many as they can. And then if your child's up for it, you can make some more complex patterns. You can also talk about spatial relationships with the cubes. So saying, can you put a blue cube under a red cube? Or can you put a green cube beside a yellow cube? To help them learn those spatial words and also interact with them in that way. We're also looking at measurement. So these cubes are going to be our ruler for the moment, and you can use other materials in your countdown kit, such as the pencil, and ask your child how many cubes long is the pencil so they can build with as many sets as they need to figure out how many cubes it takes to get the length of that pencil or other objects around their house. And then finally, we are breaking out the number puzzle. So as your child starts to build, use some gentle guidance to help them. Don't do the puzzle completely for them, but when they get frustrated, it's okay to provide some gentle guidance. Remember that all of these activities for math this week can be a little bit challenging, a little bit discouraging, and they only work if you allow your child to make their mistakes and help guide them in the correct direction. So as they're doing the puzzle, you can talk about things such as labels like fish, panda, zebra, flowers. You can also start talking about the colors in the puzzle and pointing them out and having your child point them out. There's the numbers 1 through 20 that you can point out or count with your child. And then words that classify, such as all of the food on the puzzle, all of the animals, anything along those lines. If you have any great stories or pictures or videos to share, please put them in our Facebook pages, or you can send them to us on social media, and we'd love to see them. Have a great week.